Hello, superstars. How are you? Today we will learn 10 sight words in my magical garden. Are you ready? We are going to say, spell, and use them in sentences. Follow my lead. Say eh. Now let's use it in a sentence. I see a bird. Say after me. I see a bird. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. The bird flew away. Day. D-A-Y. Day. It is a sunny day. Say after me. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. You are a good friend. You are doing amazing. Keep repeating after me. How? H-O-W. How? How is the flower? Now let's move on to the next word. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. I have a little car. Let's move on to the next word. Own. O-N. Own. Now let's use it in a sentence. The cat is on the mat. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. I saw a star. You are doing amazing. Keep repeating after me. Them. Them. T-H-E-M. Them. I like them all. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. I want to play. Wow, you did amazing. Good job. Make sure to subscribe to learn more sight words. That is all for today. See you next time. Bye.